We all want to make money that requires little to no work. I mean, let's be real now. Who wants to work for hours and hours? It is tiring to work all day, and at the end of the day, you're still going broke. And that's where the magical passive income comes in. Welcome to Financial Literacy. Here, we are dedicated and passionate about bringing you nothing but honest and straightforward facts about your money. We will help you take control of your finances and get you to the next level. Beginners or experienced, this is your one-stop shop for all things financial literacy. In this video, we are going to give you the gateway to the secrets of making money while you sleep. So, if you're ready, let's start the video. What exactly is passive income? Picture this. While you sip margaritas on a beach, your money is working hard for you, generating a steady flow of cash without requiring you to be physically present. Sounds like a dream, right? Passive income is the holy grail of financial freedom. It is all about creating income streams that continue to pour in, even when you're busy pursuing your passions or, let's be honest, binging on the latest Netflix series. Why is it crucial, you wonder? Let me break it down for you. Passive income provides you with the luxury of financial independence. It's like having a money-making machine that works tirelessly, even while you snooze. Imagine waking up to find your bank account a little plumper every day. Now, that's what I call waking up on the right side of the bed. Passive income is like having a magical money tree that keeps bearing fruit. Who wouldn't want that? It's the secret ingredient to escaping the 9-to-5 grind and enjoying financial freedom. So let's take a closer look at why passive income is so crucial. Working smarter, not harder, is the key to passive income in the first place. While active income necessitates your time and effort, passive income operates quietly in the background to generate cash flow for you without requiring your continual attention. It is similar to having a focused money-making robot at your disposal. Second, passive income offers a crucial safety net for financial security. We are all aware that life may be unpredictable. Although jobs may come and go, bills never take a break. You have a safety net and peace of mind knowing you have money coming in even if your primary source of income disappears when you have passive income sources. Lastly, passive income opens up avenues for wealth creation. Instead of relying solely on your regular paycheck, you can invest in assets that generate passive income and watch your wealth grow over time. It's like planting seeds of wealth and watching them sprout into a money-making forest. Of course, there are different types of passive income. First up, we have real estate investing. When it comes to passive income, real estate investing is a game changer. With the potential for long-term cash flow and appreciation, it's no wonder that people are flocking to this lucrative opportunity. But before you put on your real estate mogul hat, let's delve into what you need to know. First things first, the location. It's not just a clever phrase, it's actually the formula for real estate success. Purchasing a home in a sought-after neighborhood will guarantee greater rental demand and improved potential for resale value. So put that lovely cabin in the middle of nowhere out of your mind and concentrate on homes in vibrant areas. Leverage is another effective real estate investing instrument. You can increase your return on investment by utilizing financing choices. So, you are not required to invest all of your hard-earned money in a single piece of real estate. Instead, you can fund your investments with other people's cash and benefit from rental income without having to spend a fortune up front. Lastly, don't forget about property management. While passive income may sound like a walk in the park, being a landlord can have its fair share of challenges. Hiring a reliable property manager can save you from the headache of dealing with tenants, repairs, and maintenance. Next up, we have stock market and dividend investing. You already know by now that the stock market is one crazy roller coaster ride. If you haven't yet, you can check out our other videos about investing. But hold on, before you dive headfirst into the world of stocks and dividends, let's get a few things straight. First, you need to do your homework. Research, and research some more. Find companies with a solid track record of paying dividends consistently. Don't fall for those flashy, one-hit wonders that might leave you high and dry. Next, keep in mind that patience is needed. The stock market can fluctuate as much as the weather does. You can be watching those stock values climb on a cloud 9 one second, and the next, you can be sobbing into your pillow, wondering if you'll ever see your hard-earned money again. But do not worry, buddy. Remain composed and believe in the success of long-term investing. Oh, and did I mention that compounding has power? It seems magical. Reinvent those dividends in the purchase of further shares and see your capital increase rapidly over time. It's similar to having a money tree in your backyard, except better because you don't have to water it. However, there's still more. Investing in dividends may be the key to financial independence. These dividend payments may increase in importance as your portfolio expands, bringing new opportunities. You could invest in that dream home, go on that international vacation, or keep making investments and watch those figures increase. You have a choice. Next up, we move on to online business and affiliate marketing. This is very popular today. Online businesses are all about harnessing the power of the internet to generate income. You can start your e-commerce store, become a dropshipper, or even create digital products like online courses or ebooks. The possibilities are as vast as the 7 seas. Affiliate marketing, on the other hand, is like having your own personal sales army. You become an affiliate for a company and earn a commission for every sale you generate through your marketing efforts. It's like being a smooth-talking pirate who hooks customers with their persuasive skills. The flexibility and scalability that online enterprises and affiliate marketing provide are what makes them so attractive. There are no restrictions on the amount of money you can make, and you may work from anywhere with an internet connection. And this is what we all want, right? Additionally, you can start without a sophisticated degree or a top-secret route. All you require is a strong desire to succeed and the determination to put in the necessary effort. Just be careful because there are scammers all over the internet. Don't believe those overnight riches they promise. Having a business takes time and effort for it to be successful. Lastly, we have investing in index funds. In the realm of investing, index funds are comparable to the greatest treasure. They are a great option for those who want to start investing without the stress and complexity of handpicking individual stocks. By choosing index funds, you can profit from the success of the market as a whole and easily earn pleasing returns. Also, if you don't know yet, index funds are known for their low fees. You see, in the world of investing, fees can be like pesky little mosquitoes nibbling away at your hard-earned money. But with index funds, you don't need to worry about that. They have rock-bottom expense ratios, which means more money in your pocket. It's like finding a magical purse that keeps multiplying your cash. So ultimately, having a passive income has the potential to change your life. It releases you from the limitations of the standard 9-to-5 grind and provides access to a life of financial independence. And because I am feeling generous today, I'll give you 2 mistakes you should avoid when you plan on starting your passive income. Mistake number 1: jumping in without a plan. Sure, the idea of passive income is tempting, but diving headfirst into investments without a well-thought-out strategy is like building a sandcastle in a hurricane. It is bound to crumble faster than you can say, "Oops." So, take a step back, put on your thinking cap, and create a rock-solid plan before you even think about splurging on a fancy jet ski. Mistake number 2: relying solely on one source. Remember the old saying, "Don't put all your eggs in one basket"? Well, it applies to passive income too. Investing everything in a single stock property, or online business is like putting your financial future on a roller coaster ride with no seatbelts. Diversify your investments, my friend, and watch your passive income soar like a majestic eagle or a really comfy reclining chair. Now, the rest of the journey is for you to find out the beauty of having a passive income. What are you waiting for? Start learning about passive income today to find your way to financial freedom. And as always, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up, comment, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our following videos.